Akala ko na-live ko na kanina. Pag live, mayroon ng clock yan. Pag wala yan, hindi live.
Hindi pa live.
Ilan taon namin po?
Ito lang.
Babae?
Oo.
Babae. Pwede na sila.
Meron pa isa eh, patarating.
O parating? Oh shit!
So March or to
Babae, lalaki.
Hindi pa alam. Next month, next month.
Hello, Mike Test.
Ha?
Galingan mo ah.
Hello, Mike Test, Mike Test. Yo, yo.
Yo, yo.
Yo. Oh, ano sabihin mo sa interview announcer?
Welcome to Lakewood Sunday Club.
Interview
Shout out to
mo tong ano.
Nico Santa Ana. My teammate.
Ka-teammate mo ba yan?
Champion kami.
Oo,
Kami nila Jerry.
Tagalan nun.
Kami nila Jerry nun.
First time nag-champion sa Lakewood.
Century na yun ah.
Tagal na yan.
Tagalan nun.
You got play? You got play?
Yeah, they're Joseph's over just for Jander's like he said he's gonna be like 5 minutes late.
Good, gender? Well, I got a jersey for him, but it's medium.
He's gonna have to
Mga mahina ah. Pero malakas. Chemistry.
Malakas. Ngayon ang malakas.
Saan ka rito? Saan ka rito?
Ah, dito ako kasi maraming tao.
Sa gold? Underrated.
Gold ka?
Underdog ah.
Oh, sige, doon na ako sa kapila. Ganito ako.
Ano nga?
Totoo ba yan?
Ha? Kayo, pustahan ah.
Hindi ko pwede. Para ma-demanda ako. Magkano ba damage pag ma-demanda? $10? Wala, kaya yung sa kabila, maraming magagaling tapos marami pa.
We got 3 more minutes. We got 3 more minutes.
Hey, ref. 2 more minutes. Go naughty.
We got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes.
Game one.
This ball?
Official ball.
This is it, right? Yeah. I'm gonna give you 2 more minutes.
Serve.
2 more minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go. I thought you had the time.
11:28. You gotta start on the dot.
9:05 pa dapat eh. Di ba? 5 minutes pa. Warm up. Uy, good luck pre. Good luck. Excited.
Akala ko indoor yan. Bakit napulot? Pinulot ulit sa labas. Tikman mo ka. Tikman mo. Pera ko yan eh. Aalis ako first week October. Sa Korea kami. 3 years.
Oh, may oras ka naman. Wala pa alas 9. Kulang pa kaya nga ako.
Nakita na nga nila yan.
Hey, still have time.
Let's go.
Panalo championship.
Yeah, let's go.
Game time! Ready, ready.
Game clock off. Score, yes, 2, home, 0.
3 on 3. 3 sa Angel, 3.
Score, yes, 2, home, 2. Score, yes, 5, home, 2.
Why not? Let's go and wrap. Time out.
Time out.
Game clock off.
Come on!
Yes, timeout. 1 timeout left.
Huh?
Okay, they ready. They ready. Let's go.
Sa Angel yan dito. Ito po.
No. Yeah. All right. Ball game start. All right.
Game clock off.
All right. Matt. No good. Rebound by Gavin. Yeah. All right. Pass the ball to Gavin. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. There. To number 31. No good. Rebound to Matt. No good. Rebound. Foul. Foul 22.
17.
17.
Guest player number 17. Foul number 1.
First shot. No good.
Nakabahan ha.
Second shot. No good again. Rebound by Spielman. Rebound again. No good. Foul. Another foul.
Guest player number 8. Foul number 1.
First shot is good.
Score, guest 3. Home, 3.
Second shot. Step on the line.
Relax, relax.
May natin ang sabang bola. Nagmamadali. Double stick. Foul. Number 22.
Home player number 22. Foul number 1.
Alright.
Tira.
On the way. No good. Offensive foul.
Guest player number 9. Foul number 1.
Darren nagbababa ng bola. Pinapos sa kampe. Dire-diretso. Rebound again. no good. Rebound by Jobel. Jobel may tangan ng bola. Jobel. Jobel. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Wala. Yellow ball. Alright. Dribbling. Jump shot. Patay ang Botequet.
Oh, no!
Out. Alright. Dadala ng bola. Alright. Making play. Dribbling. For three. No good. Rebound by Darrell. Darrell magmamadali. Darrell. To number 22. No good. Rebound. Jobel. Jobel. Kay dala ng bola. Jobel. Tumira. Wala. Darrell nakuha ang bola. Darrell nagmamadali. Binigay kay number Matt. No good. Yellow ball.
Sabi silang gigil.
Diretso. Foul. Number 23.
Home player number 23. Foul number
Sa yellow ako
1.
kasi naka-yellow ko eh. Naka-gold. Masyado yata silang gigil.
Gil ah.
Medyo intense yung ano eh. Kaya medyo ano sila.
Medyo pressure eh.
First shot is good.
Score. Guess 4. Home 3.
Second shot is good again.
Score. Guess 5. Home 3.
Darrell. May tangan ng bola. Naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Muntik na agawad. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by 31. Another rebound. Wow.
Score.
Sumakay ka
Guess
pa.
5. Home 5.
Jobel. Dumiretso na naman. Wala. Rebound ng kalaban. Last. To 22. Easy layup. Easy
Score.
layup.
Guess 5. Home 7.
Alright. Number 7. All the way. Oh, what a block. Back. To down. To 22. Easy shot.
Score. Guess 5. Home 9.
Ayan. Tumira. Oh, wala. 24. 24. Oh, nagawan. Ang dahil sila sa number 22. Easy basket.
Score. Guess 5. Home 11.
Alright. Jobel na naman. Jobel. Hindi na naman namasa. Wala. Foul. Galing ni Jobel. Walang nakikitang kampe.
Home player number 23. Foul number 2.
Star player.
Yeah, two.
Ng goal team. Unang tira. Pasok.
Score. Guess 6. Home 11.
Pangalawang tira. Jobel Seryosan. Sablay. Grabe Puro. D. Joe. Connect. Matt. Looking. Back to go. Boom. Still. Nakuha ng kampe. To Matt. Looking. Rebound. Number 9. The 24.
Score. Guess 9. Home 11.
Well, may tara Now it's at number 22. Number 22. No good. Rebound by 31. Injury. Time out.
Guys, for the shot. 17 goal push. 17 goal push.
17 goals push.
Guest player number 17. Foul number 2.
Injured.
Game clock off. Game clock off.
Alright. Nilalabas ang bola to number 31. Tumira ng threat. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 making the play. Number 9. Number 9 pumasok. Binigay kay Joven na naman. Balik-balik daw. Ayan na. 34. Dumiretso. Wow. Number 31.
Home player number 31. Foul number 1.
Yung bata mo, Anthony. First shot ng goal team.
Sino na nanood dyan?
Si Anthony.
Shout out.
Unang tira, supply.
Namatay, Max.
Low. Unang tira sa fly.
Pangalawang tira.
Wala na battery.
Score. Guest 10. Home 11. Score. Guest 10. Home 13.
Yan, tumira wala. Rebound by number 31. Number 31. Binigay kay Joe. Back to 31. 31 sa ilalim. Sa labas.
Score. Guest 10. Home 16.
Jaban Darasan. Jaban Darasan. Dire-diretso. Wow. 44. Holding.
Home player number 34. Foul number 1.
And ang MVP.
Si Noel pala pala.
Sabi mo mabaktakin ng shirt.
Jaban, uniform packing.
Score. Guest 11. Home 16.
Keyboard mo.
Ano yan?
Mamaya pag shot ka.
4 seconds. Left and right ako.
Second shot. Is good.
Score. Guest 12. Home 16.
Ayan na. Nagdadala ng bola. Nag-aaral ng mapapasahan. Pinasa sa gitna. Tumira ng dansak. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ng number 9. Number 9. Tumira sa press.
Score. Guest 15. Home 16.
Terry nagdadala ng bola. Back to 34. 34 to 31. Oh! Almost two. Wow, ball. Stop. 24 out. 20 out. Number 9. Ball shot. Is good.
Score. Guest 17.
Number 34. Moving the ball. Number 34. 34, looking, pass to number 31. 31, double 2. Pass to 34 again, 34, jump shot. Pass on. Alright.
Yes. 17. Home. 18.
Very good. Rebound by 34. Ginagawa na number 30. To 34. No good. Nagagawa. Nakuha ng kampes. Tumira ng 3. No good again. 31. Basket foul.
Count it. 7 goals. Arm. 7 goals.
Yes, player number 7. Foul number 1.
Bonus shot.
Score. Yes. 17. Home. 20.
No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Good D by number 30.
Time out.
Time out. Goal.
Time out goal.
Game clock off. Yes, timeout. 0 timeout left.
Outside tapos time outside. Goal. Kaya na malakan nila. Basta na yun.
Let's go.
Back to the ball game. Number 7 to number 9. Jump shot. No good. Number 34 to number 32. 32. Back to 34 to number 31. Sa ilalim. Nice steal.
Home player number 24. Foul number. Warning for penalty. Home player number 23, foul number 3, penalty 2.
First shot, no good. Thumbs up. Second shot is good. 32.
Score, yes, 18, home, 20.
22. 22. To Matt. To 34. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 4 is the shot.
Score, yes, 20, home, 20.
Out by number 7. Number 7. Number 7 for 3. 3
Score, yes, 23, home, 20.
31 to 20. Matt. No good. 34 to 31. 3 3, no good. Rebound by Jordan. Number 7. Another 3, no good. 2. Good. To number 2. 17. Jordan. Layup is the shot.
Score. Yes.
Timeout,
35. Home. 20. Home timeout. 1 timeout left.
Saan ba nakatira kayo? Kent pa rin? So, warehouse ba yan? Warehouse take ka ba? Warehouse? Yung trabaho. Ha?
US Food.
Ah,
Trabaho si Eric Comboy.
driver kayo?
Driver siya na tapos sa issue supply.
Ah, dalaw trabaho mo? Napayaman ka, ha?
Alright, number 22 to 24.
Game clock off.
24. Back to number 22. Number 22. All the way. No good. Rebound by 24 to 34. Sailane. 28. No good. Hey! Nice shot.
Score. Yes.
Number 2.
25. Home. 22.
Sailane to number 2.
Score. Yes. 27. Home. 22.
22 to 28. Samira. Go 3.
Go 3.
Guest player number 3. Foul number 1. Warning for penalty. Score. Guest 27. Home. 23.
Landed by air. 14 seconds. 10, 9,
So, matalo yung blue, ah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Score.
Zero.
Guest 29. Home. 23.
And the first half.
Walang kamatch. Walang kamatch yung malaki nila. Ilang minutes? Ilang minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? 2 minutes?
We're the basketball. Basketball. You won the basketball league.
Basketball committee.
Talk to you guys later. Let's go! Let's go!
Game clock off. Guest player number 7, foul number 2.
Matt. To D. Back to Matt. To 31. 32. No good. Hold on by number 3. Labas. No good. 0. To Matt. Matt. Back to 0. 3. Next shot.
Christmas parade kay Ben.
4. Guest 21. Home 25.
To number 3. Number 3. Next shot.
Big man's move.
4. Guest 31. Home 25.
D. To labas. No good. Rebound by 32. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. 1-on-1. Still by number 31. Number 31. Needed by 2. 4.
4. Guest 31. Home
Number
28.
7. Number 7. 33.
4. Guest 34. Home 28.
D. To 31. To Matt. Matt.
4. Guest 34. Home 31.
Mira 3 points.
4. Guest 37. Home 31.
0. 0.
Game clock off. Home timeout. 1 timeout left.
Hindi nag-count yung ref. Hindi nag-count yung referee. Nasing ka ba?
10 seconds yan.
Oo. May 10 seconds.
Back to the ball game.
Game clock off.
To number 22. 22 all the way. Easy shot.
4. Guest 37. Home 33.
Score natin 33-37. Up by Gold Team. No good. Rebound to number 22. Number 22. Spinning. Spinning. Foul.
7?
Number
7.
7. 25. Foul.
Oh.
Number 25.
25?
Stop.
Guest player number 25. Foul number 1.
Sub!
Sub, sub, sub.
Cut.
31. To 32. Back to 31. No good. Offensive foul.
48 po.
Home player number 28, foul number 1.
Number 9, hitting three. Foul. Good shot.
Home player number 22, foul number 2.
Aga-aga, nakapanta.
Breakfast.
First shot, good.
Score, Best 38, home 33.
Oh, pagkain.
Ay, bigyan mo.
Ay, mo, tinapay siguro.
Score, Guess 39, home 33.
Kaya mo? Diabetic ka? Diabetic ka? Kung mainom ka ng panta.
Hindi naman kailangan niya ng switch.
Score, Guess 40, home 33.
Sedang Nuggets. Rebound dari Wan, pasok.
Score, Guess 40, home 35.
Number 3. Number 3. Tumira.
Score, Guess 43, home 35.
Pasok na kalaban, nakuha ni Jordan. To number 7. Number last follow-up. By number 9.
Score, Guess 45, home 35.
Dan 3
Score, Guess 45, home 38.
Very good. Blue ball. Time remaining 14 minutes. Matt, back to 22. Nice stroke. Number 7. Foul, number 1.
Home player number 1, foul number 1.
Alright. To number 9. Number 9. Looking, spinning, shooting. Nice move.
Score, Guess 47, home 38.
Back to Matt. To 22. Nice pass.
Score, Guess
Nice pick and roll.
47, home
Number
40.
9.
Score, Guess 50, home 40.
For another 40-50. 22. To Matt. Matt, no good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Wow, what a shot.
Score, Guess 52, home
Champion na
40.
gold. Champion na ba gold?
Overall. Sa ilalim. Wala ni Jabber. To number 3. Foul.
Foul. 22.
Sub, sub, sub. Sub.
Home player number 22, foul number 3.
Time remaining 12 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 7. Tumira Nugget. 22, may tama ng bola. To Matt. To 35. Nugget. Nakuha ng number 34. Ball team, ball team. Go.
Lalabas ko lang.
Anong na-race mo?
Aso. Ilang aso na rin.
Ayan na. What a shot by number 3.
Yes, 54. Home, 40.
Matt. Wala. Rebound by number 7.
Laro ka pa marino.
Eh, nasa Pilipinas eh.
David.
Kailangan mag-ano. Layo ng
Ryan.
parang
Matt. 25. 22. No good.
Sab!
Half. 42 on 38. Alright. Number 9. Sa ilalim. Si Joven De Rosa. Pasok.
Yes, 56. Home, 40.
Alright. Number 31. To Matt. To 30. To Matt again. 35. Traveling without passport. Traveling without passport. Number 7. Number 7. To Joven De Rosa. Joven De Rosa. Joven De Rosa. Wala. Rebound by Matt. To number 28. What a shot.
Yes, 56. Home, 42.
Edmond! Number 7. Kapag-warm up na. Di pa ako diba? Warm up!
After na ito sa Linwood.
Oh?
8 games.
Oh, wow. Pick-up game ba yan?
No,
Ay, pick-up
league.
game. Liga.
Fourth. Yes, 56. Home, 43.
Okay. Sabay kayo? Nag-referee siya?
Ako announcer. What a shot.
Fourth. Yes, 58. Home, 43.
Number 30. Back to number 28. Number 28 all the way. Number 38.
Fourth. Yes, 58. Home, 45.
Goal 3 foul.
Guest player number 3. Foul number 2.
Bonus shot. Wala. Nakuha ng kalalan ng kapes. To number 30. To Matt.
Fourth. Yes, 58. Home, 48.
Squad natin 48-58. Time remaining 8 minutes. Number 3. Outside. Number 30. The 28. Oh, what a shot. No good. Move on. To number 7. Nice follow-up.
Fourth. Yes, 16. Home, 48.
33. No good. Move on. 24. To number 3. Number 3. No good. No good. To number 7. Number 7. Posted. Number 7. And 1.
Fourth.
Foul
Yes,
number 2.
62. Home, 48.
Go ahead, pasok,
Home
pasok.
player number
Go ahead.
28. Foul number 2.
Top Stop. 22 out, 28 out, 31 in. 30 out.
Talo na.
Bonus shot.
14 points eh. Shot clock na lang.
Habang, wala. 32. Nagkakala ng bola to pass. Outside, no good. William by 31, no good again. 31 again. Pasok!
Fourth, yes, 62.
Alright, nagkakala ng bola. David, di na naman nagpasak.
Puso na yung oras.
Home player number 34, foul number 2, warning for penalty.
No good. Second shot. It's good.
Fourth, yes, 64. Home, 50.
Third one. The 23. The 32. No good. Rebound number 24. To number 3. Hold 6. No good. To number 22. Matt. 3 points.
Fourth, yes,
Nothing gets shot
64. Home, 53.
Number 9. All the way. No good.
24.
32. Pasok.
Fourth, yes, 64. Home,
Joben.
55.
Robert. To number 3.
Box
No
out.
good.
24.
Rebound. It's a shot by number 31. Kumahabol.
Yes, 64. Home, 57.
Ball.
Yes, timeout. One timeout left.
Alin? 7 points, 7 points. Pasok na si Bimboy dyan.
Alright, number 9. Number 9, nagdadala ng bola. Number 9 to number 3. To number 7. No good.
24.
Rebound 31. To 34. 34.
Maximum.
No good.
24.
Number 9. Foul. Timeout.
Game clock off.
Last time out.
Last timeout.
Home timeout. 0 timeout left.
Kaya hindi, blue. Wala na.
Zero timeout. Blue.
Wala na kayo time out ah.
No more timeout. No more timeout.
Blue, no more time out.
to the ball game.
Okay. Okay, titita lang.
3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Titita lang dito ako.
Oh, kahit down sila? 7
Kahit
points?
lamang ka na. Kahit lamang ka na.
Asa yung bento yan?
Hindi, Akasya. Ikaw ang nagyaya.
Unang tira. Pasok.
Score, Guest 65, Home 57.
Second shot is good.
Score, Guest 66, Home 57.
Cannot. 3 points.
Score, Guest 66, Home 60.
Robin. Pasok.
Score, Guest 68, Home 60.
22. Pasok.
Score, Guest 68, Home
Number 9.
62.
6 points, 6
Number
points.
9. Number 9. Dire-diretso. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ng number 23.
24.
22.
Oh, why give it up?
23. Sunod.
Score, Guest 68, Home
Hey, 3 points na. Wala mo dyan.
Robin. Robin.
Oh,
24.
and 1.
Oh, what a stop.
Score, Guest
Wala, 1 point.
Home 67.
May sopas ba ngayon? Oh!
Last 2 minutes. What a stop.
Score,
Hey, stop
Guest
shot.
70, Home 67.
24. Sunod.
Spread out, spread out.
Seven, 6, 5. What a shot.
24.
Score natin.
69-70. Stop the clock.
Game clock off.
Ayaw mag-foul, ayaw mag-foul. 69-70.
Alright, 1 point. 69-70. 69-70.
Kamalang coach.
Time remaining 1 minute and 31 seconds. Magandang laban, bigitan.
Wala eh. Ayun. Yung score.
Nahanap ko dito sa harapan eh.
Ano, sira yung shooters. No timeout.
Ano yung last quarter na yan?
Guest timeout. 0 timeout left.
Go.
Ano nangyari sa Sentas ito?
Natanggal.
Ha?
Natanggal.
Hinga sila, bro. Hinga sila.
Yeah.
Kambal naman pala yan. Ayun, ang mahabang buhok.
Mahabang buhok sa kamay kong buhok.
Zero timeout na lang.
Nasa meron sa akin.
Alan? Yung Alan?
Ano sa akin?
Wala eh. Ayun.
No time out na.
Balik ba 34 seconds yan?
Alright, let's go.
24.
Alright, 69-70.
24.
Here we go, what a tie game.
Sige, punta ka rito. Punta ka rito.
Alright, number 9, nagdadala ng bola, number 9. Number 9, nagdadala ng bola, number 9. Pinasa sa laban, number 3. Okay, pasok. 72-69, 3 points,
Guest 72.
Hello.
Home 69.
Alright, 32. Oh, tonight. Tonight,
24.
Steigen! Deadlock!
Tama.
Who's time?
Game clock off.
Oh,
Ball tama.
stop the clock.
Okay, give me call time now.
Game
Oh, ref. It was ref. Referee.
72.
Hey guys, zero timeout, Hey, zero timeout.
24.
Vote, shoot, timeout. 49-7. Number 9 to number 3. Castro.
All the time, all the time.
74. Home. 72.
Number 32. Is a shot.
Oh, it's okay.
Game clock off.
Oh,
Round 2. 39 seconds.
okay.
39 seconds.
Oh,
Game clock off.
Number 7.
get the ball.
To Travis. Foul.
Game clock off.
Time remaining 20 seconds. It's gone out at 72-74. 2 points.
Role player number 28. Foul number
Ano ba yun?
3. Penalty 2.
Tatlo pa sa inyo. Ay, isa na lang, isa na lang. Penalty?
Penalty. Penalty.
Cleanly up.
Dapat binigay niyo yun. Oh! Hey! Hey, miss one! Hey, CJ, miss one, CJ! Oh, basta. Ano lang? CJ, miss one!
Alam mo, may ginagawa ko ah.
The fly, CJ.
Miss it!
Second shot.
Oh, he didn't miss it! Oh, shit!
Game clock off.
Rebound 38. Come back. No. No good. Rebound 32.
Hey, two!
33.
Why you guys shoot it, two?
Game clock off.
Why you guys shoot it, three?
Winning shot.
Why you guys shoot it, three?
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
Game clock off. Game clock off.
That's it!
Overtime.
Overtime!
74.
What a game.
Good game, good game. There you go.
Wala na, tapos na.
Meron pa, tie game eh. Tie game. Hindi ka na ba maglaro? Oh, come on, CJ! Overtime, overtime! Wala, talo na kami. Oo, wala eh. Mahina team, mahina. Mahina yung team. 2 minutes.
Fouls stay the same.
Fouls
Don't
stay the
reset the fouls.
Yeah, same. Let's continue. 2 minutes, stop clock. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, stop clock. Yeah.
Oh,
It's 2 minutes stop clock. 2 minutes stop clock.
2 minutes, stop clock.
Oh, stop
May
clock.
time out ba sila?
Wait. Hold on.
Wait. Let's see if guys timeouts or not.
2 minutes.
May time out?
Okay.
Both?
One time out each.
Hey, what time out is on?
14.
Hey, what time? What time out?
Time out 14. 2 minutes. Non-stop. Non-stop, right?
Yeah.
I stop lang. Sabi mo eh. I stop lang.
Game clock off. Game clock off.
Next possession. Yellow.
Hindi kayo nawa.
Nasaan na yung Takano mo? Tumakbo na.
Wala na.
Game clock off.
Wala overtime pay.
Matt Ryan 2. Onyx 2. Number 24.
Sorry.
Score.
Vince Taylor.
74. Home. 72.
Late by 2. Again. Barry. Torres. Pass to big guy. Number 3 to number 24. Number 7.
No shot clock.
Hey, na-stop siya.
Number 7, 3 points.
4. Yes.
Oh, that's
77. Home. 76. Game clock off.
Tamaan.
Groin. What?
Lead by 1 yellow. 1 minute. 3 seconds.
Hey, what the floor? Ha?
Na-reset ko ba yung shot pad kanina? Hindi na.
Ano na ngayon? 4 second?
Okay.
24. Game clock off.
Why?
Turnover.
24.
50 seconds. Number 3, the man.
24.
Rizal. Pass to Ben. The big guy. Yes, sir. Here's our walk.
Yes. 77. Home. 78.
Number 7. Oh, man.
24.
Number 22. Pass to Lito. To Ryan.
Spread out!
Pass to number 22. Again. Got a foul. Foul number 7.
So dead.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Again, they have 1 timeout 14. They have 1 timeout 14.
Wait.
You're supposed to get tied up.
No, na-shoot nila.
Yes, 2 points lang yun eh. 2 points lang yung shoot nila.
Hindi, 3 points, tapos 4 dito.
3-4.
Yeah.
Gold just fouled, and they had 4, so there should be 5 team fouls.
What was foul?
10 minutes.
Who got fouled?
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Hey, go.
Who was foul?
Guest player number 7. Foul number 4.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Committed foul.
10
So they have...
10 seconds.
Is right?
7.
Okay, goal
10
7.
seconds.
But we're not shooting yet. Okay, here we go.
10, 9,
Game clock off.
8, 7, 5,
Game clock off.
6 seconds. 6 seconds.
Diba wala na 24 seconds?
6 seconds. Time remaining 6 seconds.
Hey,
6 seconds.
Fouls on 3. This is important because the next foul's going to put you in the bonus.
Guest player number 3. Foul number 3. Warning for penalty.
6, 5,
Game clock off.
5 seconds. From number 77 in favor of
Guest player number 3. Foul number 4. Penalty 2.
Player number 3, for foul.
you gotta help. Sab, pasok ka din? Yup.
First shot, no good.
Oh, you gotta make those free
No
throws.
good.
You gotta help, huh? Hey.
Last shot. From number 77.
Make those free
5
throws.
second shot. Second shot is good. Go team.
7 seconds.
79, 77.
77.
7 seconds.
79.
About to give pa daw. Max.
Yes, timeout. Zero
Hindi, wala
timeout
na.
left.
7-7. So, walang foul, walang.
Kahit na naman to.
Kaya na. Oh! Vibration. Ano ba? Nagturo-turo ka kayo. May plus pa yun, ha? Plus 8 pa, plus 8. May plus 8 ka pa.
No foul on the three. We don't want it to be 3 minutes.
5 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2,
Game clock off.
1 second. Oh my
Time
God.
again!
Number 5.
Another time out.
Score.
What's
Yes.
going on now?
79. 79.
Eh, tie game eh. Oh, 2 seconds.
79, 79, 1 second, and 1.
Ba't half court yun? Yeah, gusto. Bakit? Nangyari? 2 seconds or 1 second? Is it 2?
Not 2 points.
1 shot, 1 shot.
Ready to do?
Alley-oop.
Ready?
That's alley-oop right there, alley-oop.
Game clock off.
Another 2 minutes. Is it 2 minutes? Football. Like 2 minutes, Max? What's this? I don't know. Hey, 2 more minutes, man. Hey, we got time.
Overtime again.
Another 2 minutes.
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Yeah, come on. This is too good.
Hey, play up. 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes.
Where's the captain?
Sudden death. Football. Hey, it's football. Oh, I don't know.
So after this, gonna be sudden death.
You guys got somewhere to eat? What's going on?
I don't know. Hey, I'm just a video camper. Two more minutes.
Time again, it's gonna be sudden death.
Okay, all right.
Lagyan mo na. What? Time out pa rin? Ito.
Another overtime.
Isang time out pa rin, ha? 1 time out each.
Alright, 2 minutes.
24.
Nakuha na number 7, number 7. Nagmamadala sa number 3. Rocket.
Score. Yes. 81. Home. 79.
48. Number, rebound number 2. To number 7.
24.
That's it.
Score. Yes. 83. Home. 79.
31.
Score. Yes. 83. Home. 81.
81, 83. 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Brad.
Going to start.
Fouls on gold 9.
Gold 9.
Guest player number 9. Foul number 2.
Pasok ang mga shot.
Score. Yes. 83. Home. 82.
Number 9. Looking number 9. Looking.
81 kasi.
Pass to Joven. Joven! Joven!
24.
Rebound by number 9. Number 9.
Game clock off.
23.
Call player number 23. Foul number 4.
Unang tira, pasok.
Score. Guess 84. Home 82.
Score natin 84-82 in favor of Gold Team. Second shot in the picking. It's good again.
Score. Guess
85-82.
Home 82. Matt 11-22.
Oh! Yes, fuck the layup. We got 2 layups.
Call player number 31. Foul number 2.
Ayaw nila manalo.
First shot is back. 38-1.
Guess 86. Home
82-86. Mga may mananalo na. Second shot, pasok.
Score. Guess 87. Home 82.
41.
Oh!
Matt.
Wala na.
22.
24.
Shot, no good.
24.
Number 2.
That's game! That's game!
Alright, night-night! Night-night!
Night-night. Gising ko lang ah. Ano night-night?
Call player
Finally,
number 30. Foul number
8
1.
seconds. First shot is no good. Second shot is good.
Score. Guess 88. Home 82. Twenty-four.
Game over.
Game clock off.
Libre.
Game clock off.
Don't say man, you lost.
Ano? Patayin ko ba ito, Max? Patayin ko?
Kaya pag pusan na ganyan, kung man na lang sa bench, isisi na pa.